Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will make a video for my assignment. My name riyanti. I am from 3D Pharmacy. I will show you how to make tools, knife, glass, stone, filter, mat, material, lemon, ginger, powder, honey. Step make I call medicine from lemon and ginger. The first is list of lemon. The peel the ginger. Dot was the lemon and ginger. After that, boil the ginger. Let's stand for 3 minutes until it boils. Next, squeeze the lemon until the water almost out. Then press the ginger using a knife and fetch mat. After that, mix the lemon juice and ginger. Then mix with honey according to taste. Stir until well blended. Of medicine ready for use. Benefit and efficacy: fresh hand breath, relieve cold and cough system. Good luck at home, friend. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.